Hey, welcome to the show, my math ninjas. Today I have a addition problem for you. 2.4 plus 3.01 plus 3. If you can go ahead and try this on your own, hit that pause button, and when you're ready to check it with me, hit the play button. All right. Hey, before we begin, check out the link up above right there. It is my new channel called Dino Math. It's dinosaurs and mathematics put together for some great adventures. So we're having a great time making those videos for you, and I'd sure appreciate it hitting the subscribe button on that channel. So yeah, it just helps us out a lot. All right, let's go ahead and begin. When we deal with addition and numbers with decimals, you just line it up. Whatever the number is, we're just going to line up that decimal point on those numbers just like that, and then we just start adding. All right, so our first number will be 2.4, so just write down 2.4, just like that. Our second number is 3.01. So remember, we need to keep those decimal points in line, all right, with a nice vertical line right there. So I'm going to put the decimal point right here and put 3 and then 0, 1. Our next number is 3. I don't see a decimal point on 3. But remember, 3, right here, 3 is equal to 3.0. Or if you wanted to, you could go 3.0000. All right, you could keep on going as long as you want. Doesn't change the value. All right, so then we go ahead and we know that the 3 has an invisible decimal point on the other side of it. So we go ahead and put 3 right here. It doesn't matter if you want to just keep it blank or you just put that decimal point there, and you can put a 0 in here for place value. I kind of like doing it this way, just to keep things kind of, sorted out evenly. And I can also put a 0 right here if I want to, all right? 2.4 or 2.40, it's the same value, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and add, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add this column right here first. So this would be 1, and then 4. 4 plus 0 and 0 is 4. Now, do not forget this next step. Just put that decimal point right there. Easy cheesy, lemon squeezy. All right, go ahead. And now we're going to actually add the ones right here. But let's go ahead and add the 3 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8. So I put the 8 just like that. Put a little smiley face in there. Make it look like a little snowman. How'd you do? Hey, we're always having fun on this show. Check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button on this channel and my Dino Math channel. And we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.